NATRECE East here, the winner of the girls, Class 2, 100 meters. Congratulations first and foremost. Tell us how you're feeling.
I feel really good. I feel confident going into my 200 heats tomorrow, knowing that I have something to push me to also properly execute my race tomorrow is a really good feeling, and I also feel really proud of myself.
It's about the time. It was a fabulous time. How happy are you feeling with the time?
I feel extremely happy for the time, because to know that my PB before was 11:42, to know that I lowered it tremendously is a really good feeling that I'm lowering my times.
And I'm sure you also have a quick word for your coach, Michael Carr.
Yes. Words can't even express my gratitude towards Coach Carr. I've been with him from all my years of high school. I've been with Mr. Carr. He's a really good coach. I feel like we have a certain chemistry that every athlete and their coach should have. I'm really thankful towards him. I know that he's really proud of me, and I just hope I continue to make him proud.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
All the best for the rest of the champs.
Thank you.